In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add inline multi-buttons to your campaign block template design layout. We're starting from the campaign block template design layout workspace screen. So make sure that area is already open and visible before you begin. This is the main editing space where you'll build and adjust the content structure of your campaign block, and it's where all of the changes in this tutorial will take place. First, go to the content elements area and drag a standard button block directly into your layout section frame. As you place it into the section, take a moment to make sure it sits in the correct part of the layout where you want your calls to action to appear. This is important because the button element will become the foundation for the multi-button setup, so positioning it correctly now helps avoid extra adjustments later. Once the button block is in place, move your attention to the configuration panel on the right-hand side of the screen. In the Settings tab, look for the Structural Layout Style option. This controls how the button element is displayed within the design. Change that setting from its default style to inline or multi-button. As soon as you apply this option, the button structure will be prepared to hold more than one button on the same line, which is exactly what you want for a cleaner, more compact call to action area. After that, stay within the same configuration panel and find the Add Button sub-option command row. Click it to insert another button into the same element group. This allows you to create a second action without needing to drag in a completely separate button block, which helps keep the design more organized and visually consistent. Now enter the web links and action text for both buttons and then click Save. Be sure the button text is clear and specific so users immediately understand what each button will do. For the links, double check that each destination is correct before saving, since even a small mistake can send viewers to the wrong page. And also keep your button wording concise so it remains easy to read, especially on smaller screens. Once saved, your layout should now display two inline buttons within the same section of your campaign block template. This setup is especially useful when you want to present two related choices side by side in a neat, professional format. That's it. You've successfully added and configured inline multi-buttons in your campaign block template design layout.